So bring your awareness to your breathing. And deep inhalation. A long exhalation with sound. Really release all of it. All whatever needs to be released. Breathing in. An exhalation with sound. Let things go. Let move energy. Breathing in and out. 2 more times. And breathing out. And again, breathing in and out. Good. And I want you to scan your physical body from top of your head down into your toes. If you feel like moving a bit, change position, just allow that flow. Allow that flow in your body. Scan your body. And we're connecting with vibration, with the frequency of pleasure. I want you to really see, feel, sense the frequency of pleasure, of joy, and step into that vibration. Feel like this pleasure energy is washing whole your body, washing every single cell of your body, every muscle, every bone. Just give yourself permission to receive pleasure, to have pleasure, to share pleasure with others and with yourself. Feel it in your bones, in your cells, in your DNA. It's my birthright to have so much pleasure in my life in so many different ways. It's my birthright to sharing the pleasure with others, giving and receiving. And I want you to connect with your body. If you feel, you may place your hands on your breast, on your hips, on your belly, and truly start. Feel the sensation of pleasure in your hands when you're touching your body. Connect with the energy and frequency of love that you're sharing for yourself when you're touching yourself. And how it feels to touch yourself and feel pleasure and feel the love towards your body, towards yourself, and receive that energy of love and pleasure. And how it feels to live your daily life from that place. I am love, I am joy, I am harmony, I am peace, I am pleasure. And we're teaching you how it feels to be connected with your body. And just being connected with your body, with the vibration of love and pleasure, experiencing these extraordinary moments, these divine moments with yourself. And when you're fully in this energy of joy and love of yourself, we're sharing this love with others. We're sharing this love with plants, with universe, with other beings, animals, and having pleasure by doing that. And really feel and sense in your energy, feel how this energy of pleasure and love, like a waves, spreading in the universe, on our planets, in your energy field. and connect with your body, and your body is the universe. Really feel that. Connect with the universe inside your body, inside your heart. I am the universe. Feel it, sense it, follow it, trust that. The whole cosmos, cosmic energies within my body. And I am merged with the energy of this cosmic energy, with the universe. I am the creator. I am the lover of life. And I'm inviting you to tune into energy of being a lover for yourself. I am the lover. I am the soulmate for myself. And how it feels to live your daily life from the place of being the soulmate for yourself. Feel that in your womb, in your breast, in your shoulders, in your face. And I'm inviting you to make your face expression the way you would smile to your lover. The spark in your eyes, big smile, excitement, tingling energy all over your body, mystery, bubbly energy in your belly. Get excited to meet your true soulmate. That is you, and only you. And having orgasms one by one with yourself, enjoying yourself. And how it feels to live your daily life from that place every moment. Every moment is divine moment. And in every moment I can be this divine lover with the universe and with myself and others. And as you activate it with the energy and frequency of love, and we're teaching you how it feels to live your daily life from the place of true unconditional love. And we're teaching you how it feels in your bones, in your cells, to be connected with this energy of love. I want you to see now how you're walking in life. How you see plants, animals, other people. When you are love. Feel that, sense that, own that. And I want you to see the love in every single object. When you look around your space, see the love in everything. See the love in everything. Beautiful. And how you're meeting people on the street, see yourself, how you see the pure love in them. Sharing your love with them, empowering them. Beautiful. And I want you to connect with your heart. You may feel like you want to place your hand on your heart. And let's stay for a moment in silence with our hearts. Beautiful. There is nowhere to go, nothing to do, no one to be. There is no seeking, no asking, not trying to understand anything, just be. Be with your heart. There's just beingness with your heart, with this unconditional love, the silence, peace, harmony, beauty. And bring awareness to your body, how it feels to be in your body when you're connected with your heart. How is your body right now? How it feels that? And how your life would look like if we all live, or you would live, the life without seeking, and from the place of being. And we're calling in this space your true light beings, Mother, Father, God, Christ, Sophia energy here, teaching you what true unconditional love is, and that you are this divine being in human body with human experience, coming together and co-create, collaborate. And I want us to see together in this circle, in a beautiful sacred space, sacred garden, all together, dancing. I want you to see yourself in this beautiful dress. And all of us look stunning. And we're moving our bodies as we feel, what it feels good. Moving hands and shoulders and hips. And loving every single moment, loving every single movement. Enjoying watching other ladies. And enjoying yourself. And notice this tingling energy on your body as you enjoying, making love with yourself, making love with universe. And we all spreading this energy in that sacred space. Loving ourselves and loving each other. I see you and I am seen and you see me. And I want you to see how we all interacting with each other. Maybe just gentle touch, or maybe just beautiful dancing together. Maybe just the smile. And notice all our hearts are fully open, sharing the love, receiving love, giving love. And notice your hips. I want you to connect with your hips, this feminine power, our hips, how they are moving. Let's make them sexy and feminine. You may feel like you want to move them very slowly and sensual. Or maybe you want to feel them being on fire and being cheeky and joyful. Feel that pleasure, feel that love and fun in your body. And feel the wind in your hair, on your skin, touching you everywhere. Like you are being touched by universe, by nature. And in every moment, you're falling in love in yourself more and more and more. There's like infinite love. And now let's come together, and I want you to see that there's a fire in front of us in the middle of the circle, and we come together holding by hands, squeezing our hands, sending love from one person to another person, squeezing our right hand and sending unconditional love to the person next to us. And this energy is flowing through whole circle and coming back to us through our left hand. So we're giving love through our right hand and receiving through our left hand. Feel that connection. Feel the energy of each woman in that circle, and how the spark of energy is flowing, healing all of us, activating all of us. And above us is like a huge cloud of wisdom, huge cloud of love, huge cloud of transformation, and all the angels being are with us, enjoying with us, supporting us, activating us. We are the universe. Beautiful. And look around those beautiful faces, beautiful eyes. Connect with each heart in that space. Every heart is open, every heart is smiling. I belong. I am important. I am seen. I am love. I am safe. I am good enough. I am that. Feel it, sense it, own it. Trust that. And we're raising our arms, our hands up to the heaven. And feeling this shower of love coming down from universe, from the source, from the spirit, showering us with love, showering us with the energy of healing and activations, activating, upgrading every single cell of our bodies. Feel the ecstasy, feel the love showering you, all your body, all your system. I am that. Beautiful. I want you to take 2 deep breaths. Breath in. Feel that activations. Feel that love. I am my own soulmate. And how it feels to live my daily life from that place. And just stay for a moment with yourself, being fully activated, feeling the group energy. Every single face here, every single being here matters. We're co-creating that space together. Let's take 2 deep breaths. Breath in and out. Really feel that a new energy in your system, and again breathing in and out. And when you're absolutely ready to see yourself in this new energy, new way of being, new way of seeing, then open your eyes. Namaste.